Hey, Layla. You getting your diaper changed? What are you doing? What are you doing, girl? What's Mommy doing to you? Are you getting your feet? Oh, she's getting them. She's gonna put them in her mouth. She's gonna put them in her mouth. Oh no, she's got a booty. God. What are you doing, Layla? Do you like your feet? Do you like to chew on your feet? Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. I'm recording her, Nora. Talk to her.
Layla. Let me see that belly. Let me see.
That is one little chubby cheek kid.
She likes having to hush people.
Talk to her, Dave.
Hi, Layla Ray. What are you doing? What are you doing, sweetie? What are you doing? Show me your toes.
She's getting so big. She's got like meat. She's a meaty girl.
She's making some weird faces.
Get some video
What
of
kind
her.
of face is that, girl? What are you doing?
Here you go, Mom. Get some video of her butt.
Booty butt! Look at that booty! Look at that booty! It's a big old butt! Mommy, what are you doing? Nobody wants to see my booty. Who wants to see a booty? Who wants to see a booty? Who wants to see a booty? Who wants to see a booty?
She wants the camera.
Uh-huh. She's like, I don't think any of y'all are funny right now.